Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caela, and today we are learning signs about cooking. That's my dog. Okay, so first one, baking soda. You just finger spell it, and the same for baking powder. It's the same, you just finger spell both. Butter, butter, butter. Cinnamon is just C-I-N-N. And then cup is just C-U-P. Cup. Flour is flour, flour. Oil, you just finger spell oil. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Salt is salt, salt. Sugar, sugar. Bake is bake, bake. Blend is cook is cook, cook. Dice is dice. You just flip, flip. Grate is grate. Knead is mashed is pour is pour, pour. Roll is roll. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Watch next time, and I hope you did not yawn throughout this video like she did. Let me know in the comments what you liked, what you didn't like, and yeah, thank you.